The banking sector is a good choice for value investors who look for stocks that are undervalued. Value investors focus on strong, well-established companies that are able to maintain their growth. When evaluating bank stocks, it is important to consider financial performance, regulatory compliance, market trends, dividend yield, valuation, and management. The financial sector includes companies that offer investment banking, consumer banking, lending, insurance, or credit card services. While banks are a major part of the sector, they are not the only type of company active in this key stock market sector. So in this video, we are going to discuss best bank stocks for long-term investment. The video is going to be amazing. Make sure to stick till the end. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. JP Morgan Chase & Co. JPM. JP Morgan Chase is one of the largest global financial services companies, with nearly $4 trillion in assets. Analyst Kenneth Leon says JP Morgan's recent purchase of First Republic Bank is a far cry from its acquisitions of the distressed assets of Bear Stearns and Washington Mutual during the 2008 to 2009 financial crisis. Leon says First Republic's roughly $30 billion in securities and $92 billion in deposits are clean assets. The deal also gives JP Morgan valuable exposure to venture capital and technology clients in California. CFRA has a buy rating and $160 price target for JPM stock, which closed at $148.15 on July 12. JP Morgan Chase & Co. is a multinational financial services firm headquartered in New York City and incorporated in Delaware. It is the largest bank in the United States and the world's largest bank by market capitalization. JP Morgan Chase offers a range of investment banking products and services in all capital markets. JP Morgan Chase also has a retail banking operation under the Chase brand, which launched an app-based current account in the UK in 2021. The company has also made over 30 acquisitions, including OpenInvest and Nutmeg, and in March 2022, announced that it would acquire Global Shares, a cloud-based provider of share plan software management. Bank of America Corporation, BAAC. Bank of America is one of the largest U.S. commercial and investment banks and wealth management services providers. Leon says the bank's business is well positioned to benefit from a rebound in lending and investment banking in the second half of 2023. Bank of America's asset portfolio is highly rate sensitive, meaning its net interest margins could benefit from higher interest rates as long as the economy doesn't fall into a severe recession. Leon says the bank is a market leader in retail consumer and small business banking. CFRA has a buy rating and $41 price target for BAC stock, which closed at $29.36 on July 12. Bank of America Corporation offers credit, banking, and investment products and services to consumers and small businesses through its consumer banking segment. Bank of America Corporation is a global leader in wealth management, corporate and investment banking, and trading, serving various clients worldwide. As of June 20, 2023, the stock price for Bank of America Corporation was $29.15. The company has a market capitalization of $231.98 billion and 7.97 billion shares outstanding. Wells Fargo & Co. WFC. Wells Fargo is one of the largest U.S. banks, lending mostly within the U.S. market. Leon says Wells Fargo is on track to generate profitable growth and is gaining operating momentum following its multi-year transformation. He says the bank's leading small and mid-sized business commercial loan portfolio is performing well, and higher interest rates are supporting Wells Fargo's net interest income. Finally, the potential lifting of the punitive Federal Reserve asset cap could be a bullish catalyst down the road. CFRA has a buy rating and $50 price target for WFC stock, which closed at $43.26 on July 12. Wells Fargo is one of the largest banks in the United States, with approximately $1.9 trillion in balance sheet assets. The company is engaged in various financial services, including banking, mortgage, and investment services. Wells Fargo stock is listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol WFC. HSBC Holdings plc. HSBC Holdings plc is a British universal bank and financial services group headquartered in London, England, with unique historical and business links to East Asia and a highly multinational footprint. It is the largest Europe-based bank by total assets, ahead of BNP Paribas, with $2.953 trillion as of December 2021. HSBC serves millions of customers through its 3 global businesses. The company has a presence in over 60 countries and territories worldwide. HSBC is one of the world's largest banking and financial services providers and has about 39 million customers. Analyst Firdaus Ibrahim says rising interest rates will improve HSBC's profitability, and the bank's decision to exit underperforming businesses will allow it to commit capital to more profitable segments. Ibrahim projects that strong performance from the UK and China markets in 2023 will help HSBC exceed its full-year target of 12% return on tangible equity. He says resumption of HSBC's dividends and buybacks reflects management's confidence in the bank's outlook. CFRA has a buy rating and $43 price target for HSBC stock, which closed at $40.09 on July 12. Bank of Montreal, BMO. It is the 8th largest bank in North America by assets and provides personal and commercial banking, global markets, and investment banking services. BMO offers a wide range of banking services, including bank accounts, mortgages, credit cards, loans, and more. Analyst Alexander Yoakum says Bank of Montreal is relatively insulated from a weak Canadian residential mortgage market, which could help the stock outperform many of its Canadian bank peers in 2023. In addition, Yoakum says the Bank of the West acquisition in February will help geographically diversify Bank of Montreal's business, expand its U.S. footprint, and generate cost and revenue synergies. He says the bank's balance sheet growth will help improve net interest income. CFRA has a buy rating and $102 price target for BMO stock, which closed at $91.22 on July 12. PNC Financial Services Group Incorporated. PNC Financial Services is one of the largest U.S. banks, offering asset management and traditional, corporate, and institutional banking services. PNC Bank, the company's banking subsidiary, operates in 27 states and the District of Columbia, with 2,629 branches and 9,523 ATMs. PNC Bank is one of the largest banks in the United States by assets and is one of the largest banks by number of branches, deposits, and number of ATMs. NC offers a wide range of financial services, including asset management, wealth management, estate planning, loan servicing, and information processing. It is one of the largest small business administration lenders and one of the largest credit card issuers. PNC shares are down 19.4% year-to-date as of July 12 amid a U.S. regional banking crisis, but Yoakum says the pullback is a buying opportunity given PNC's stable deposit trends. In addition, he says the bank's high portion of insured deposits, solid credit quality, and relatively low unrealized losses on its securities portfolio should help reassure investors PNC is on sound financial footing. He projects 5% year-over-year revenue growth in 2023. CFRA has a buy rating and $145 price target for PNC stock, which closed at $127.23 on July 12. Fifth Third Bancorp, FITB. Fifth Third Bancorp is a U.S. regional bank that offers retail and commercial banking, consumer lending, and asset management services in the Midwest and Southeast regions. Yoakum says Fifth Third's balance between retail and business customers, its relatively high portion of insured deposits, and its significant geographical diversification make it less susceptible to deposit runs than the regional banks that collapsed earlier this year. He is bullish on Fifth Third's strategy to deepen industry verticals, increase middle market commercial lending, and expand further into the Southeast. CFRA has a buy rating and $33 price target for FITB stock, which closed at $27.19 on July 12. Fifth Third Bancorp is a bank that provides banking and financial services, retail and commercial banking, consumer lending services, and investment advisory services through its subsidiary Fifth Third Bank is the indirect parent company of Fifth Third Bank, and its common stock is traded on the Nasdaq Global Select Market under the symbol FITB. FITB has a market capitalization of $18.648 billion and shares outstanding of 678.59 million. Institutional investors hold a majority ownership of FITB through the 79.43% of the outstanding shares that they control. Regions Financial Corporation, RF. Regions Financial is a U.S. regional bank that provides banking and wealth management services in 16 states in the South and Midwest regions. The bank has a strong track record of profitability and has been able to maintain its net interest margins despite the challenging economic environment. Regions has also been proactive in restructuring its balance sheet for higher interest rates, which should help to improve its profitability in the future. In addition, Regions has a high percentage of insured deposits, which provides a cushion against potential losses. Finally, the bank is working to reduce its real estate operations, which should help to improve its efficiency. Based on these factors, CFRA has a buy rating and $23 price target for RS stock. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.